Okay, here we have Mixel Series 1. Wait. Not electroids. Not electroids. Why not electro? Oh man. Oh gosh, dang it. You know, I was getting ready and, I was trying to think of some, well, actually I had some, but, I had a few electrifying puns for the electroids video, but yeah. These aren't the electroids, these are Cragsters. So I guess I'll just have to, I don't know, think on the fly. So, I just, it would be nice to have some rock-solid puns for, video about creatures that are rocks, made of rock. Anyways, all stupid jokes and poorly made jokes aside, let's get going. We're gonna start, as usual, with the leader of the tribe, Krader. So let's, where the heck is my brick separator? Where's my brick? Just a minute. Okay. Now that I got my brick separator, we can drag him over here. I feel like this isn't bad enough, but whatever. Oh, get those guys out of here. Anyways, we need to there we go. Get the instructions out, get the box out, set the brick separator over here, like in the corner, I guess. And let's build Krader. There we go. So, first of all, we have little corner of the bag. Here we go, set that with the brick separator, and now let's just dump them out. Nope, there we go. And then, get building. Oh man. So, normally, I would, I'm trying to decide quickly whether I should do Seismo next or Shuff. Because Shuff is my very first Mixel ever. And I'd like to be able to talk a little bit on him whilst I'm building him. So I don't want him to be the third one, just in case we need a speed build. Which, if the last video is anything to go by, we might have to do. But also, Seismo is kind of like the second one in the tribe, So, I don't know. But I guess you'll see when we get there. Just have to see about that one and get there. Let's see, where's the piece? There we go. Here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Swaboosh. Set that aside. And then start building this part of him. There we go. Go. Boom. Oh, and also, just like last time, in one of these, I know which one, but you don't know. You don't know, which one, has a nixel, just like the last one. All of the tribes have, they come with one nixel. One of the Mixels comes with a nixel, So that's going to be fun to see. Fun to find out. So, yeah. Did I put... No, I'm just looking at it wrong. Okay. It goes back there. Let's see. Here we go. Put those bricks. Oh, another one. Now, let's just put triangles on first. Okay, they're okay. Sorry, correction. Not triangles. Not triangles, as I always call them. Cheese slopes. They are called cheese slopes. These little pieces are called cheese slopes. Kinda weird, but whatever. Because I really don't see any resemblance to cheese, but whatever. How? What? Oh, that's that one back there. Okay. Optical illusion. Welcome to Optical Illusions with Capt.Chocolate. It now looks like that triangle is next to that triangle. And actually, Lego does it better. Oh boy. It's me trying to figure out why there's no space for a triangle there. It's because there's already a triangle there. Oh, Lego, you're so confusing. Let's see. These little Technicaf pins. And then give him eyeballs. Eyeballs. There we go. There we go. Also, just want to say, big thanks to all you guys for giving me so much support on the Infernites video. Yeah, man, that thing blew up. I really didn't expect it to, but it did. And it was awesome. Yeah, so, big thanks to y'all for giving me all those views. Now, if only all those people had viewed that had subscribed like you're doing right now. Right? Right? You're subscribing, right? You better subscribe. Or I'll eat all your chocolates. Now, you don't want me to eat all your chocolate, do you? Yeah, didn't think so. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Let's see. Boom. Now, if you haven't seen that video on the Infernites, then, well, you're disappointed. No, just kidding. Just kidding. You're not a disappointment. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. All, like, yeah, not right now, but near the end of the video, like in the last 20 seconds of the video, there will be a little thing that pops up, like, right about there. It's like the thumbnail for that video, and if you click it, it'll take you to that video, so you can watch it. Go watch it! There we go. Bada bing, bada boom, there's Krader, and wait, there's more. Oh, dude, it's a nixel! Whoop, whoop, whoop! Whoop! Whoop, whoop! 2319. Oh, wait. No, sorry, no, wrong one. 2319. Oh man, Monsters Inc. That was a good movie. That was a good movie. In fact, you know what? Question of the day. What's your favorite movie? Put it down below in the comments. What's your favorite movie? In the comments. And boom! Nixel! Nix! My eye. Oh, you're gonna get that. You're gonna get it for that. Oh. Come on. Shrubblame. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Oh, come on. Next. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Anyways, Krader and a nixel. Doggone it. Why won't you ever stay on? Please, keep yourself together, buddy. Keep yourself together. But yeah, Krader and Nixel, different than the Infernites one, but yeah. Krader and a Nixel. Nix. Boom. In the box. Yeah. Considering that took 12 minutes. I'm gonna do Shuff next. Technically, Seismo is the second in the tribe, but I'm gonna do Shuff next. And then I'm gonna speed build Seismo. Yeah, I'm always gonna speed build the one. So actually, do I even need the instructions for it? No, I don't need the instructions. I've built him like 320 times. Oh yeah. Actually, I might need the instructions. Oh yes. I haven't even dumped me out. But yeah, I've built him a lot because yeah. He was my first ever Mixel. He was the only one from season 1 in the box where I found him. I got him along with the rest. I got him along with all of Series 3. I know it was a Series 3 box, but he was just sitting there on the top. Series 1, I was like, oh, dude, that's the only one of that. Hey, can I get that? And my dad was like, oh, sure. In fact, you can get one of each. I'm like, oh, sweet. And so, yeah. So he was obviously the first one I picked out. But, yeah, he was also the first one I built, because right when I got home, I went straight to this little table I had. I ripped it open, I built him, and, yeah. And then, yeah. And then I went to our dining room table. And I built the rest there. So, yeah. Oh, no, not a hair. Not a hair, doggone you. Where's the hair? I think it's gone now. Okay. No hairs allowed in my no hairs allowed in my Mixels. No hairs allowed. So yeah. Yeah. But anyways. Yeah. So Shuff was my first Mixel, and he is amazing. He's awesome. I love Shuff. Shuff is the best! Shuff is the best! Yeah! Let's go. There it is. I have this Ninjago song in my head because I was listening to a bunch of Ninjago music earlier. So I was getting my work done because it has been scientifically proven what is that stuff on my Mixel. I'm gonna clean that off. I'm gonna get whatever that is off of there once I'm done building him. But, yeah, because music has been, like, proven to, like, help with stuff. Makes it easier to do stuff or whatever, something. Music does things to your brain. So, yeah. There you go. Go, everybody with me, go. Oh boy. Okay, and last triangle, boom. But he's not done because I need to put that on. And boom, there we go. Shuff is done, and I'm gonna clean that stuff off real quick. Boom, there we go. Just had to, yep, see, it's all off now. I have no idea what it is, what it was, but it came off with just a little bit of water on a paper towel. So, yeah. Oh, and also, as in the others, with the others, got 3 Mixels. You can make Cragsters Max. That's going to be a separate video. Go code, King Ball, checklist. I think there's, yeah. Oh, and parts list. But actually, let me quickly, since his instructions are still right here, just in case you do have the game for some reason. Code. Boom. There we go. It's probably stuff from this box. Here. Where is the piece of the bag that I saved? Oh, anyways. Put him into his box. Carefully move him to the side. There, in fact, I'm standing. There we go. Right there. that's gonna be our thing from this video. I've been collecting things from all the videos I've been doing. Shuff. Shuff is gonna be our thing. Okay. Time to speed build. Seismo. Not yet though. Don't start it yet. Krader. Get in there. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Get that open. There we go. Get it out. On my way. Everything out on my way. Okay. Dump parts out. Instructions open, and 3, 2, 1. Speed build! And we're done. Oh, he took a little bow. Thank you. Thank you for viewing my wonderful act of being torn apart and then being rebuilt, I guess. I don't know. What the heck. But yeah, there we go. Got some nice articulation. Mostly legs. You know, rumble, rumble, rumble. It's like stomps. It's like kind of stomps around and rumble the ground like, yeah, it's like he stomps around and it causes an earthquake. Yeah. So let's bring them all together here. Boom. We have Krader with his giant fist, his giant hand. Wait, no. Yeah. Seismo, the big old legs. Yeah. Very tall. And then the very well-rounded Shuff. And also, of course, a Nixel. It comes with Krader. Nix! Oh boy. But yeah, there they are, in all their glory, the Cragsters. So anyways, yeah, gotta take the instructions, and then put them in the box, boom, instructions thingy. And we can put them in the box. Oh boy. Preferably whole, you know. I prefer my Mixels whole, but and then Seismo. Nixel does not actually go in Krader's box. I have separate boxes for Nixels, but yeah, and then of course Shuff. And then in my crate, I have them aligned like this. But yeah. So there we go. Ta Cragsters. Have time for an outro? Yeah, I have time for an outro. Yeah. Well, that's all for today. Really hope you guys enjoy. Okay, that was too obvious. Bad transition, but just like the. You know what? Forget the outro. Just like the video. Do subscribe. Like the video. Subscribe. What's your favorite movie in the comments? Watch the video. It's gonna appear right there in just a few seconds. See me building the Infernites. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.